India-based opinion website The Wire's report titled "The Untold Story of Kashmir After August 5, 2019" paints a gloomy picture of the occupied Kashmir in contravention to what being claimed as normal by the Modi regime. According to Kashmir Media Service, The Wire's reporter Arfa Khanum Sherwani spoke to Kashmiri people in Zanakadal downtown area of Srinagar to learn what the ground situation is really like, and she concluded that everyone hesitates from speaking, and even if someone dares to speak, he, with tears in his eyes, could only say he needs nothing to add as everything is much clearer. Indian Agency Special Investigation Unit launched house raids operations in Pulwama district. Agency SIU barged into the houses at two places in Tral area of the district. The searches were continued till last reports came in. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has urged the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to intervene and on urgent basis for the just settlement of the Kashmir dispute to avert the South Asian region from plunging into a big catastrophe, as the dispute is involving three nuclear states in the neighborhood. Illegally detained senior APHC leader Nayeem Ahmad Khan, in a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, regretted that India has turned the occupied Jammu and Kashmir into a battlefield. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has appealed to the people of the occupied Kashmir, especially from different communities in Jammu, to unite and fight for their rights without being misled by any Hindutva slogan being raised by the ruling BJP-RSS nexus in India. Talking to party workers at the PDP office in Jammu, she said the BJP has promised to install Dogra Chief Minister if voted to power in Jammu and Kashmir, but where are the Dogras? Political experts have termed the New Delhi so-called proposal to withdraw the Indian Army from the valley hinterland 3.5 years after the Modi government revoked the special status of the occupied territory as an attempt to hoodwink both international community as well as the Kashmiri people. As per the officials in the Indian security establishment, if the proposal is approved, the army will have presence only on the line of control. A youth was found dead under mysterious circumstances in Riasi district of Jammu region. The deceased, identified as Akarshit Malhotra 22, was found dead near railway lines in Katra. A truck driver died due to electric shock when his truck came in contact with an electric wire near police station in Kathua. Authorities on Monday sealed the office of National Panthers Party in Srinagar, drawing strong criticism from its former chairman Harsh Dev Singh, who recently rejoined the party after resigning from the Aam Aadmi Party. Srinagar-Leh highway was closed while several houses and other structures were damaged due to landslides in Ganderbal and Ramban district. Landslide triggered by heavy rainfall caused massive damage to houses in Sonamarg in Ganderbal.